Gentlemen, has TikTok ruined your life? All you do is scroll, and before you know it, you're back from your lunch break at work. It's already 9 p.m. and you have to go to bed. The days go super fast and you don't know what you've got done, or if you've got anything bloody done. Okay? In this video, I want to share how you can break out of the comparison trap right now. It's going to be tough, but it's well worth it. Okay? I noticed a vast difference in my life, in my mindset, in my thoughts, in the quality of what I output into the world when I got rid of TikTok, when I left Instagram for a couple of years as well. I'm back on Instagram, but it's more so for personal sharing with others. I don't go there to consume content much at all. But just the algorithm of the online world right now, it's used to grab your attention, keep you on the apps for as long as possible, and not really caring about anything else, just about frying your bloody dopamine. Okay, if you understand that this is what apps are trying to do, let's choose the apps that are going to at least be beneficial to us. Now, my favorite two apps are Twitter and YouTube. Okay, the mindset I'm on YouTube is to learn stuff, be entertained, or relax. Okay, it's not filled with brain rot on TikTok and IG Reels and stuff like that. It's really for beneficial use, is real value. There is some entertainment, but it's a different type of entertainment as well. It's a bit long form, and nothing wrong with some short form as well on YouTube, but for the most part, it's high quality, nuanced, valuable content. Same with Twitter. Twitter, there's a lot of smart people sharing a lot of smart things on Twitter. When I left IG and I started going to Twitter more, I probably made the most money I've ever made in those couple of years. And Twitter was a big part of that. Just consuming the right type of content every day. Yeah, some days I was probably on it too much, like we all are. But at the end of the day, it was better content that I was consuming. It was things I was interested in. It was things that were adding value to me, and not just stripping me of my attention and waste time. There's so many. This leads me to like when I in my 20s, and I used to, some of my mates used to play like games on their phone, and I always used to tell them if I bring any of them on my YouTube, they would be the first to agree with me when I say that. Bro, I tell them all the time, bro, why are you playing that game on your phone? You're gonna wake up and you'll bloody be 40, 50 years old, and you wouldn't know where time went, because the games on your phone are just like the TikTok and IG Reels, where time just like blows by you. Like you before you know it, like you could be on the bus or driving to work, or not driving because you can't be on your phone when driving, but if you're commuting, or if you're waiting for something, or waiting for the bus, or what else? Even if you're walking in the park and you're just not present and you're on your phone scrolling, before you know it, the walk will be done, it'll be nighttime, and your whole day's bloody gone. And days turn into months, days turn into weeks, then into months, then into years. Break out of the comparison trap now. Have a social detox. Think about the platforms you consume. I'm not saying you have to go on Twitter and YouTube, but maybe Pinterest might be better for you. Just have a think about it. Be conscious of it. Be self-aware of what you're consuming and use it to your advantage, because at the end of the day, social media is a tool to be used for the benefit of us, not to hinder us in our progress to becoming fit, rich, successful leaders of our families. Okay? Hope that helps.